After doctor, we go for the pharmacy login. So this is the pharmacist dashboard, and here the total list of the doctors and the prescriptions. The pharmacist can see the prescription from his dashboard. The medicine, he also can set the medicine category, medicine brand, medicine name. He can put the medicine selling price, and billing price. He can put from here the new medicine. So the category of the medicine: syrup, injection, tablets, capsules, and suspensions. And select the brand. You can select from here the side effects. You can put the salt name, if salt composition. You can put the description like the expiry date or the making date, and you can make the category from here, the new medicine category. And the medicine brand, he can put the medicine brand from this section. Also he can change the and put the medicine name from here. After that, he can first of all he check the prescription of the patient, what the doctor will write on the prescription. So you can click on the I button. So the patient name is Manish Misra and doctor is Kranti Kishore, and the medicine name is these two medicines, Citopira and Lexipera suspension. So he can put the, also he can check the prescription from here in this section. After that, you can make the, you will going to make the invoices of the two medicine. So in the new invoice, you select the Manish Misra and the date and the percentage discount. Suppose if the medicine have 10% discount or 5% discount, you can put here the status, the pending or paid, and the medicine name you can put here, the Citopira, quantity it's 2, price is suppose 44, it's auto calculated here. And you can add another medicine, Cipara, quantity 3, you can put 88, so it auto calculated here. After the saving, you can check here the invoice, so you can print the invoice and give it to the patient. So this is the invoice. And now so it is over for the pharmacy dashboard. Now we are going to the another laboratory dashboard in the next video.